stop doing that.
Out of the car, mate. Turned off, turned off, turned off. Get out of the car. Out, out. Intox, mate, intox.
Copy, you're not transmitting clearly. Go again when you're ready.
C34, intox driver, can I get another crew off here, please?
Hands behind your back now. Get your hands behind your back now, mate. Okay?
34, Limestone Avenue towards Girraween.
Now.
I got a heavily intox
On your
driver.
stomach.
Copy, 186, 34, 3.
Give me your arm!
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
4-3, copy, on our way. Copy, thank you.
Hotel 33 from your room.
Yeah, I've got a broadcast, mate, it's all good.
Tango 79, do I need to hang up there?
Tango 79, if you can head up to now, that'd be great.
Yeah, you got him?
CD3, we got one.
Fantastic.
Copy, C34.
Has he got keys on him? He's locked the door.
What's your name, mate?
1AC, Hotel 30, we're heading up to Lonsdale Street. Copy, Hotel 30.
What's your name, buddy? Do you have ID on you? Do you have any sharps in your pocket, anything like that?
Oh, yeah.
Do you have any spare audio, video
Tango
recorded? Do you
79,
understand
sorry,
that?
what location?
Oh, you punched me so hard in the back.
I didn't punch you
Tango
so hard.
79,
I took you on the ground.
Limestone,
You just need to get your arm out. Do you understand
No
that?
bullshit. You punched me
There's
hard.
no far to stop for police, so at
You
this stage
punched
you're in custody.
1AP CD340.
Do you understand that?
me hard in the
Close.
back.
Of course, you have to start doing it. You do so.
1AP CD340.
Go ahead, C34.
You punched me hard in the back.
3-4, we've just had a heavily intoxicated male driving
Sorry, mate.
ACT Delta Bravo 016 go through a red
Is this your car?
all over the road. We've stopped him,
Is this
got
your
him in
car?
custody, nil issues, we'll just need another
Is this
car
your
up here,
car?
probably cage.
Can you screen him?
Yeah, I haven't got a... That's why I've asked for a
Copy, I'll
car.
organise it.
OP City 42. We're job complete right up there.
Do you understand you're in custody?
Copy, thanks, C43. C43 can probably delete, thank you.
Get a person, something rough.
4-3, copy, delete.
What's your name?
City 30, I'm heading up there as well.
Copy, thanks, C33.
C34, can you run that Reg for me, please?
I hooked
Copy.
up tonight, mate. I fucked up. Sorry, can you speak to me? Are you allowed to
What's
speak
your
to me?
name?
Sorry, mate. I fucked up.
Could I get a person?
Hey?
I fucked up tonight.
Yep. Can you get an alkalizer for me, field dog? I'm seeing an alkalizer, mate. Alright. Everything's already been recorded, mate, just advise.
Right, we're going to screen you in a second for alcohol. Do you understand?
I need a tube, yep. Thank you. Alright, everything's recorded, mate. Alright, you're a driver of a motor vehicle. I need you to count to 10 for me.
Just going to roll you onto your side, mate.
Yep. Alright, start counting to 10.
Just count here, brother.
Hold on. Sorry.
You need to count for me.
Can you talk to me?
Okay.
Sorry, I don't know what's going on.
Okay, you come back to the prescribed
Can you sit him up on his...
What I want you to do, mate, you listen to me, Dominic?
Can you talk to me? Sorry.
Yeah, so walk your legs out to the front for me. My camera's on too, bro. Yep, got it. Walk your legs out for
Just want
me.
to give me a hand up.
Talk to me.
Yeah, we're trying to talk to you, but you're not listening to us right now. Just going to sit you up, okay? 3, 2, 1, I'm going to sit you up.
Sorry.
How much you had to drink, mate?
Alright. You need to blow one. Hey, eyes on me, eyes on me. Head up, head up.
Dominic, here.
Over there.
Can I speak to somebody who
You're speaking to me.
Hold
I'm the
on,
senior
sorry.
officer here.
Can I shake your hand?
No? What you can do? Blow into the tube for me.
Who are you?
Mate, come on, blow into the tube.
Hi, sorry.
Blow into the tube.
Sorry, can I speak to someone?
I am the senior officer here and I'm directing you what to give me.
What's your name?
First Constable Matthew Evans
Sorry,
from City Police Station.
Matthew, sorry.
Yep, you need to provide me a sample of your breath. Blow into the tube.
Camera's on board.
Go, mate. Blow into the tube immediately.
What is this for?
If you fail to do so, you'll be charged with failing to provide.
No, sorry, it's Matthew.
Blow into the
Can I
tube.
talk to you?
Go.
What do I have to talk to?
No, you're not talking to me. You're blowing into this tube. I am directing you to blow into the tube and provide a sample of your breath. Do you understand this?
Sorry, mate.
Blow into the tube.
I'm talking 10.
You need to blow into this tube.
No, sorry, don't need to talk to Sam.
Sorry, promise
No,
you
blow in the tube like you're blowing up a balloon. Do you understand?
Sorry, no, sorry.
Imagine you're blowing a balloon up. Same thing.
I'm
That's it.
confused. Sorry, I'm confused.
Listen, blow into that
I don't,
tube.
I
No,
don't
I'm
think you can, mate.
confused. I'm confused.
Alright,
I'm confused.
I'm explaining to you. Listen,
my
Brian,
friend,
you were driving a
as
motor
my friend
vehicle.
had gone,
You were
Go to
driving a
Foxer.
motor vehicle.
no, I wasn't.
You were driving that motor vehicle.
No, I wasn't.
Okay.
It's Garda Foxer. Garda Foxer.
You need to blow in.
I want to speak to
Mate,
Garda
I
Foxer.
can't get a tube sample off him.
I want to speak
That's a
to Garda
refusal, mate.
Foxer.
He is
It's
too
Garda
intoxicated at
Foxer.
this stage. I'm
It's Garda
satisfied.
Foxer. I don't want to.
Thanks, mate.
No.
All right, fail to provide.
I don't want to drive my
Try
car.
it station.
Shut up, I'm going. You suck.
No, what do you mean suck it? That's so rude.
I'm not
That's so rude.
I'm
Why
not
did you tell me to suck it?
Down.
I don't want to suck it. I don't want to suck it.
Hey, man,
I don't want to suck it.
No,
Why did you tell me to suck
Calm
Why did you
down.
tell me to suck it?
Stand
Why
up,
did you tell
mate.
me
No
to
one
suck-
told you that, mate.
He
You need to
did.
stand up.
No, I-
Stand up.
stand up.
You are under
Oh.
arrest for driving whilst intoxicated.
No, boy, he just told me to suck
Prescribe
it.
al- No, no one
He
did.
did.
You need
He
to
did.
do is
You
you're under
understand?
arrest
He
for
just
failing
told
to
me
provide.
suck
Do you have anything sharp on you? Check his pocket. Has he got the keys on him, mate?
No, it's on the back of the thing.
All right.
No, boys, I wasn't driving.
You got that side, mate?
Suck his
Pat him down that side. Check this side.
He just told me to suck his That's not fair.
No one said that,
You
mate.
heard that. You
No.
heard that. Brother,
Stand in.
No one said that.
You are too intoxicated, mate.
you heard that.
Alright, that's gonna do it.
All right, step in.
Actually, heard
Step in. Step into the car. Up.
Boys.
Put your feet up and get in the vehicle.
Get in.
Get in the car. There you go.
Good job.